How's it going, everybody? In today's video, we're going about 8 miles offshore from the Placida inlet to fish one of the reefs out there. Just to give some context to this video, it was shot about 2 weeks prior to my last offshore fishing video I uploaded. I ran into some issues editing, so this video got delayed. Also, the weather report was supposed to be almost no wind and completely flat seas. As you can see in the beginning of the video, that was definitely not the case, but still had a great time out there. If you could do me a favor, like the video, subscribe. See you guys out there. Yeah. What I got here, just slammed my pilchard. Might have to go chase this. Oh no, it's underneath the boat. Whew. The Barracuda took a chunk out of him. Oh. Not bad for my first ever bonita. Oh man, he got part of his tail and a chunk taken out of him. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta get my other rod up. Woo! Can't put too much pressure. I almost straightened out the last hook. Goes again. It's so fun on light tackle. I only have 10-pound test on here. Oh! Ah! I think the kudas are on it. Either that or shark. Oh man, a shark's got him. Ah! Whoa, the cuda! Look at it go, look at it go! freight train. Hopefully the Barracudas don't get it, whatever it is. Well, that would be why it hit it like a freight train. Little jack. Oh yeah, of course we'll sit down and eat lunch. Catch a fish, that's how it goes. Nice Spanish mackerel. There we go. Woo, doggy. She is not stopping. Oh yeah. All kinds of weird head shakes. I don't know what's going on down there. Oh, it's running right at me. Oh. Ah. All right.